Hi everybody, so today let's talk about how to use Binance Referral Program 2026. So to use the Binance Referral Program, you need to sign up using a referral ID, complete a verification and meet specific milestones. So if you are new to Binance, you must enter a referral code during registration as it cannot be added later. So first what you're going to have to do is download the app from your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and then open your app, then tap on register. Now input your email, your password and then tap on the referral ID box and enter the code. Now complete your identity verification by submitting your ID and taking a selfie. Once verified, deposit funds and complete a trade to unlock your welcome vouchers, which can be claimed in the rewards hub. Now to share your own referral code, if you already have an account and want to invite friends to earn commissions, just open your Binance app and then tap on your profile. Now select referral from the menu options and then tap invite friends to share your unique referral link directly via messaging apps or copy your referral ID. You can also adjust your referral settings to share a portion of your commissions with your friends. Now track your pending bonuses and commission payouts directly on this referral dashboard. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you somehow. See you in my next one.